Welcome to an unforgettable adventure at Burning Man, where reality is turned upside down and inhibitions are set free. In this episode, we explore the outrageous nightmare that some have encountered amidst the mesmerizing chaos. Join us as we unravel the darker side of Burning Man, a place where dreams and nightmares collide. Burning Man is known for its vibrant and wild energy, where thousands of creative souls come together to celebrate art, music, and self-expression. But hidden beneath the glitz and glamour lie some truly outrageous nightmares. The art installations at Burning Man are astonishing, but they can also be incredibly unnerving. From giant, grotesque faces that seem to watch your every move, to mind-bending optical illusions that challenge your perception, these artworks can quickly turn into a disorienting nightmare. The vastness of the Black Rock Desert can quickly become a labyrinth of confusion. Attendees often find themselves lost amidst the chaotic sea of art structures and unfamiliar terrain. What starts as an exploration can soon turn into a disorienting nightmare, with anxiety and panic setting in. The notorious dust storms at Burning Man create an otherworldly experience. The vast, sandy gusts can quickly transform a serene moment into a nightmarish scenario. Visibility plummets, creating a disconcerting atmosphere where attendees struggle to navigate through the chaos. This year we've seen a crisis emerge that no one would have seen coming. Flooding at Burning Man. Festival goers have experienced horrible conditions with mud and flooding coming in to ruin the festival's freeing creative energy. While this emergency is still occurring, we can only hope that the festival goers can safely return from the festival. Witnessing these incidents can leave an indelible mark on the psyche. Burning Man is a haven for creativity, self-expression, and the exploration of human limits. Yet, in the midst of this outrageous celebration, nature can ruin the celebration in many unexpected ways. Join us again for more news on the developing situation at Burning Man.